How to change background on Tella Screen Recorder. The first thing you want to do once on Tella, you're going to choose whether you like to use the browser option or you're going to be using the app option. For this tutorial, I'll be using the app option. So you'll simply open the app. After you have opened the app, I'm using a Mac device. So what I'm going to do is go to the top. Once at the top right here, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap right where you see the icon, the purple icon, right beside the Tella icon. You're going to tap right there and you're going to see a drop down menu option. From this drop down menu option, what you're going to do next, you're going to tap right where you see the camera name. After you have tapped on your camera name, you're going to see the option background. You can tap on background and you can see the background at the moment. To change the background, I could tap on the picture. Then from there, I could add a different background. So for example, let's say I would like to use this background. I can select the background. So that's how you'll be able to change the background. Again, you will select the camera and select background. And you can see it right there. And if I wanted to change it, I could do that again. And another option that you also get when it comes on to changing the background, if we were to tap on the camera name, you could select, for example, portrait. And it will slightly blur the background, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching.